Welcome to our guide on how to get a new backup code on Pinterest using your PC. This process is essential for keeping your account secure and ensuring you have access in case you forget your password. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find a gear icon. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on the gear icon, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Pinterest account. Next, locate the Security section in the Settings menu. This is where you can adjust security features like two-factor authentication and backup codes. Click on Security to proceed. Now that you're in the Security section, look for the option labeled Get Backup Code. This feature is crucial for account recovery, especially if you lose access to your primary login method. Once you find the option, click on it. You will see a button that says, Get a New Code. Click this button to generate a new backup code. Pinterest will provide you with a unique code that you should save in a secure location. This code can be used to regain access to your account if needed. Remember, it's important to keep this backup code private and secure, as it grants access to your Pinterest account without needing your password. And that's it. You've successfully obtained a new backup code on Pinterest using your PC. Make sure to follow these steps whenever you need a new code or if you suspect that your current one may be compromised. Keeping your account secure is vital in today's digital world, and having a backup code is an excellent way to enhance that security. Thank you for watching, and happy pinning.